ChatGPT is here. WhatsApp on steroids. ChatGPT is here. We all use WhatsApp every single day. It's how we connect with friends, family, and colleagues. But what if WhatsApp could do even more? What if you could get instant answers to your questions, translate languages on the fly, and even generate creative content, all without leaving your favorite messaging app? Well, guess what? Now you can, thanks to the integration of ChatGPT with WhatsApp. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can understand and respond to your questions in a human-like way. And now, it's available right at your fingertips, directly within WhatsApp. This is a game changer, especially for Indian users who rely heavily on WhatsApp for communication. This integration means you no longer need to switch between different apps or navigate complicated interfaces to access the power of AI. Whether you're looking for information, need help with a task, or simply want to have an intelligent conversation, ChatGPT on WhatsApp is here to assist you. Let's dive in and explore this exciting development together. Before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, TrendTalkTube, to continue watching videos like this. Your new best friend on WhatsApp. ChatGPT, your new best friend on WhatsApp. Imagine this. You're planning a trip to Kerala and need to quickly translate some essential phrases into Malayalam. Instead of scrambling for a translation app, you simply open WhatsApp and message ChatGPT. Within seconds, you have your translations ready to use. That's the magic of ChatGPT on WhatsApp. It's like having a knowledgeable friend available 24/7 to answer your questions, provide assistance, and engage in meaningful conversations. You can ask ChatGPT for information on a wide range of topics, from historical events to scientific concepts, and get detailed and accurate responses. Need help writing a poem for your loved one? ChatGPT can help you with that too. Its creative writing capabilities are impressive, and it can generate different writing styles and formats based on your needs. Easy as pie. Adding ChatGPT to your WhatsApp. Easy as pie. Adding ChatGPT to your WhatsApp is incredibly simple. It's just like adding any other contact. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Open your WhatsApp application. 2. Go to your contacts list. 3. Click on the new contact button. 4. In the contact number field, enter this number. 1 8 0 0 2 4 2 8 4 7 8 5. Save the contact as ChatGPT. That's it. Now you can start chatting with ChatGPT just like you would with any of your friends or family. Simply open the chat window and type in your question or request. ChatGPT will respond to you in real time, providing you with the information or assistance you need. It's really that easy. Why you'll love it. Section 4. ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Why you'll love it. The integration of ChatGPT with WhatsApp brings a host of benefits that enhance your messaging experience. Let's explore some of the key advantages. Convenience at your fingertips. No more juggling between multiple apps. ChatGPT is readily accessible within WhatsApp, making it incredibly convenient to get instant answers or assistance. Lightning fast responses. Time is precious, and ChatGPT values that. You'll receive responses to your queries in a flash, saving you valuable time and effort. Familiar and user-friendly. If you know how to use WhatsApp, you already know how to use ChatGPT within it. The familiar interface ensures a seamless and user-friendly experience. No signups, no hassles. You don't need a separate OpenAI account or login credentials to access ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Simply add the contact, and you're good to go. A multi-purpose AI assistant. From answering questions and translating languages to generating content and providing recommendations, ChatGPT is your versatile AI companion on WhatsApp. With ChatGPT by your side, your WhatsApp experience is about to get a whole lot more exciting and productive. Things to keep in mind. Section 5. ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Things to keep in mind. While the integration of ChatGPT with WhatsApp is a significant step forward, it's important to be aware of a few limitations. Text is king. Currently, ChatGPT on WhatsApp only supports text-based interactions. You can't send images, videos, or audio files. Knowledge cutoff. ChatGPT's knowledge base is limited to information available up until September 2021. It may not have access to the most up-to-date information. No group chat buddies. Currently, you cannot add ChatGPT to group chats. It can only be interacted with in individual conversations. Still under development. Keep in mind that this is an experimental feature, and its availability and functionalities may change as OpenAI continues to develop and refine the integration. Usage limits. There might be usage limitations such as restrictions on the frequency or duration of conversations to manage the demand on the system. Despite these limitations, the integration of ChatGPT with WhatsApp holds immense potential. It's a powerful tool that can simplify your daily life, provide instant access to information, and make your WhatsApp conversations more engaging and productive.